close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
hey, welcome to this today's vlog. Yeah, so the vlog is starting here. I'm preparing that bread toast for my kids, yeah, for breakfast, everyone. So yeah, today is on a Saturday. I shall make sure they have the amazing breakfast over the weekend, you guys, because they're not going to school. I have enough time to prepare them breakfast. So this is how the day is starting from this side. Yeah, you can see I'm using ghee there. I love ghee. I think I love that ghee so much, and the Brookside brand. Yeah, so this morning, so I decided to make them that breakfast. I'm done with making the bread. I just want to boil my coffee there. We have already cooked our milk tea, but today I'm just taking that Domance instant coffee over that, and the same time just giving you the review of that that kettle, that glass kettle. Yeah, it's doing amazing work, guys, and it's very quick and effective when it comes to a quick fix of a breakfast tea. I think I'm sorted there. So yeah, the breakfast is ready over there. So that was the tea that I'd kept it aside so that it can just get some cold for the kids here. So that is how our breakfast this morning, just simple and healthy breakfast. Yeah, I don't buy eggs. I usually get eggs from my chickens. Yeah, they have started laying eggs, you guys. Yeah, organic chickens. So that is one advantage in this house. Yeah, so the tea is ready over there. So for me, I'm going to take that coffee, sugarless coffee, and some 2 pieces of bread, and then we are going to enjoy our breakfast, as you can see there. So if you're new in this channel, my name is Adija. I'm a Kenyan YouTuber. I does content basically on making, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming to support my channel. I'm done with taking our breakfast. So this time round, guys, it is very dusty in our area, you guys. So I've been having some breathing problems at night, and I think it is the curtains that I'd taken like 4 months without cleaning my bedroom curtains. You know what, I am very lazy when it comes to cleaning the curtains, but this time around itabidi nikuwe naziosha, like cleaning like every month, you guys. Here, so, and it was winter, now it's summer, the sun is very hot, so it's the time now I've decided to clean everything, you guys. Here, I removed everything in my bedroom, only to notice that the curtains were the one which were dusty. So guys, and I'm still going to clean my son's curtains as well. Yeah, so that is what I'm doing this morning, guys, just cleaning and cleaning, you guys. On Saturdays, it's our day of cleaning. It's our day of general cleaning in this house. I usually tackle everywhere. It's my whole day cleaning and making everything is organized and clean, because on Sundays is our resting day, and then weekday I'm always busy, kids at school and me at work. So, and there's some duties that I don't allocate my nanny, like general cleaning for Saturday. She's going to wash the curtains, and I'm the one who's going to do the other house general cleaning. Like today I want to do my kitchen general cleaning, guys. Yeah, I'm going to clean everywhere in that kitchen, guys, and I'm going to disinfect with hot water my countertops, guys. So stay tuned, get inspired, get some motivation, guys, and tell me what you do to make your house clean. For me, the only day that I usually clean the whole house and wiping dust everywhere, it's on Saturdays, guys. Here, so comment on the section box and tell me how you usually clean your homes. For me, this has really helped me for years, because by the time the house gets another dust, is almost a week. So I'm just going to clean again on Saturdays. So Saturdays, that day I usually, if I'm not sick or I'm not feeling or I doesn't have an appointment, so is that our day off cleaning and making this house have a fresh start and a fresh smell. So I'm starting there in the kitchen with arranging everything and packing that leftovers, because on Fridays I usually cook a lot of food, because on Saturdays we are not going to have time to fix our lunch. So we are going on Saturday, we usually take our leftovers in the house for the whole week which has been remained. So for now I'm packing this one and put them in the fridge so that we can have it with the other leftovers in the as our lunch today. Yeah, so before I do and if it doesn't have like leftover, I will always, after making breakfast, I will cook lunch for my kids so that I can have that ample time for cleaning, guys. So today our general cleaning, I'm going to do it our kitchen and my curtains, you guys. Yeah, I had already done the other whole house cleaning, so the rooms are not that dirty. Yeah, so today is all about my kitchen and dumping those things that we don't use, like if there are those to be thrown, and if there are those to be decluttered to be saved for another use, I'm going to declutter today. So I've packed and them and now I'm putting that leftovers in the fridge. Yes, so you can see those dishes there. It's a whole week leftovers that we are going to have for today. And now guys, I'm starting now with cleaning the dishes. Yeah, so for the dishes, this is just our morning dishes. My nanny usually clean dishes at night. They are no, we don't sleep with the dishes in the sink. We usually clean that sink. So these are our morning dishes, you guys. And for me, I think I have one weakness. The moment I start making breakfast, I can use every type of a dish. Imagine those dishes are just for morning. The sinks were clean, the counters were empty, the dishes were clean. And right now, see, just a morning a breakfast, how I've accumulated so many dishes. Anyway, that is how mothers we are. For me, that is my one weakness. Kutoanisha vyombo nitatoanisha. Yeah, but yeah, I'm now cleaning and I've started doing the general cleaning. So remember to subscribe, remember to hit the notification button so that when I post a video on Tuesday and Fridays at 12 p.m. you're the first one to be notified. And always remember to leave a positive comment, just a positive comment that will motivate me, guys. And tell me what you think about this our vlog today. And remember to subscribe if you haven't. Road to 4,000 subscribers. So remember to subscribe if you haven't. For my secret followers, kindly subscribe, comment, and tell me what you think about this. Yeah, and get motivated. I know we are tired as mothers, but if you don't want your house to be clean, to be dirty, just always remember to clean as you go. Like me, as much as I'm doing a general cleaning, over the weekday, I usually clean as I go. Like I will wake up and say, now it's time I want to clean my bedroom. I'll clean my kids' bedroom. Yeah, I don't just wait weekend to weekend. So there are those things that I does as I move. Like I will always make sure the bedrooms are clean. I can come in the evening from work and then I will still clean the bedrooms. So like my kids' bedrooms and mine, I always clean them because I don't want a dirty bedroom, because the kids will just develop some coughs. Yeah, I don't like. So like right now it's very dusty. We have a lot of work in this house of cleaning every now and then. So I think cleaning will be too much in this house because we have gotten in a dry season and very windy and dusty in our area, guys. So yeah, but it is what it is. We are going to do just clean as you go. So I'm done.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight.
Yes guys, so today and for the cooker I'm going to clean it everywhere. I'm going to plug those cooking stuffs, and then I'm going to scrub it. Yeah, because it has been a while, you guys. You can see even where those two plugs had were plugged, it is very dirty. So I'm just going to use that um scrubber and just clean it, thorough cleaning, you guys. Yeah, my nanny just usually wipe it using just a wet cloth, but today I'm giving it a general cleaning, guys. It has been a while. Yeah, we usually bake and I forget to clean the cooker, guys. It is because I doesn't have time. As you know, I'm a busy working mom, so when I get enough time is the time I usually come and clean everything in this house, guys. But for the kitchen, it's like I usually want it clean throughout, because you guys, this is a place where we deal with foodstuffs, and people usually think food poisoning is all about poison put in the food. No, it is dirty in our kitchen or the dirty handling of the foodstuff. So yeah, so I usually make sure we clean and disinfect everything with hot water. If I doesn't have a disinfectant, I usually just boil hot water and I wipe everywhere, guys, because a while ago, during the midterm, my kids were diagnosed with food poisoning. So I guess my nanny was not that doing the in a best way. So from that time, I saw kids very sick. That thing is not good. That food poisoning thing is not good. It's all about diarrheaing and vomiting non-stop, you guys. So they were admitted, and I felt like now I should be there full time for the cleaning of my kitchen and cooking, you guys. I am the one usually make sure I does all my cooking in this house, because wha- what I saw, it was not that a good idea. And I'm not saying that my nanny was dirty, but it's just some dirty mistakes happened in the kitchen. But yeah, it's me now to do everything. So I'm done with wiping everywhere, so it's the time I'm disinfecting with the hot water. Yeah, if it doesn't have a disinfectant, you can use hot water to disinfect your countertops. Yeah, that is what I usually do. Now I'm done. I just want to clean and now mop the kitchen, guys. You can see those are the onions that I've removed their dry leaves. So I was removing over there. So I just want to collect them so that I can mop the house. Even for the mopping of the house, I'm using hot water, guys. Yeah. Before I buy a disinfectant that will be acting, or Dettol that will be cleaning the floors, guys. Yeah, so you can see I've swept, so I just want to mop the floors everywhere. Even I've already wiped the walls, guys. Yeah, so even if you are a busy mom, just find a day to do general cleaning for your house. It is very important, because you'll never have dust in your house. So this is that day. I just kept it. If I'm around, I will be doing general cleaning. If I'm feeling okay, energetic, I usually do that general cleaning. Yeah, so hope you are motivating, you are getting inspired by this video. Tell me what you think about this today's cleaning, and tell me what you think about that cleaning motivation of my kitchen. So today is like resetting and uh, uh, resetting the kitchen, yeah, by through organizing and cleaning. And even upgrading your kitchen does not mean that you buy new things. Yeah, even arranging and cleaning and doing every cleaning stuff in your kitchen is you are upgrading your kitchen and a reset as well. So today is just general cleaning as I reset this kitchen and give it another look. So that is how the kitchen is looking. Yeah, so you can see I'm starting from that uh, electric cooker. You can see it is very clean. Yes, so you can see it's very clean. Down where the vegetables usually be, it's very clean, guys. This is the most place I usually clean. And then you can see that corner there, we have bread ghee. That is very clean as well. Yeah, the countertops, you can see they're very shiny and very sparkly clean. Yeah, so, and that is the corner where I usually put cups and those cooking lids and silicone spoons is clean as well. That is where I usually have already wiped the counters, the walls everywhere, guys. So that is how the kitchen is looking. The sink is clean, the dishes are well cleaned. Yeah, so that is how this day I've done everything, and I think I've done it to the best. I did that corner of camera because the positioning of the tripod could not shoot while I was wiping, so it is as clean as well. That is our water jug, that is our cooker plug,